Hey, this is Dor from Dorway to Possibility. I'm here with a lot of joy to share with you all the amazing things I discovered in my journey as self-developer in possibility management to get what you really want in life. Those things that you dream about, not the bullshit that modern society try to sell you, but the thing that you actually wake up in the middle of the night and you can't wait to have. So my tools work on the 4 bodies. Your physical body, we do things like hiking, surfing, going into nature. And the intellectual body, we find strategies that I learned from self-development over the years. The emotional body, we learn to connect to our emotion, our anger, fear, joy, sadness, and there's a lot of power in these emotions. And also we work on the energetic body. Once you synchronize the energetic body, life ride is like a smooth ride. So I'm really excited to bring you all these amazing tools. If you want to make a real change in your life, something that is last and is meaningful for you, go to my website and ask for possibilities there. Click on the button. See you on the other side.